Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Nailpop soft nail tips, full matte no filed pre-shaped extra short Coffin fake pune tips with box for soak-off nail extension for promotion, smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Nailpop soft nail tips, full matte no filed pre-shaped extra short Coffin fake tips with box for soak-off nail extension for promotion, smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market, and list their features and prices. If you're in search of the perfect nail tips to achieve a flawless manicure effortless, look no further than Nailpop soft nail tips. These pre-shaped extra short Coffin tips are a game changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Designed for convenience and style, these tips offer a sleek, matte finish without the need for filing, saving you time and ensuring a consistent look every time. Each set includes a range of sizes to fit all nail shapes, making them versatile for any user. The Coffin shape, known for its modern and elegant appeal, is pre-designed to provide a chic, tapered look that enhances the natural beauty of your nails. The soft material used in these tips ensures a comfortable fit, while the extra short length provides a practical yet stylish option that's perfect for everyday wear. The Nailpop soft nail tips come neatly packed in a compact box, which not only keeps the tips organized but also makes them easy to store or carry on the go. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or simply want to keep your nails looking great day in and day out, these tips are a practical and stylish choice. In summary, Nailpop soft nail tips offer a high-quality, hassle-free solution to achieving beautifully manicured nails with a modern matte finish. With their pre-shaped design and convenient packaging, they are an excellent addition.